my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Hey man, we out here working on the Chevy. It's your boy Ellis, shit, Route 254. New steering wheel came in, so we finna get ready to pull this one out. Don't get me wrong, man, I fuck with the wood wheel, but for this car, it's just not. It ain't working no more. You know what I'm saying? Since the dash got swapped and shit. Wait a minute, that's my fault too. So just trying to make sure we got it right on the up and up. Alright, well, yeah, let me get this one off. Alright, so steering wheel off. I think I'm gonna put that in that. LS Broham. I think. Man, it still look good. Like I said, just don't go with this. Don't go with this. I think I bought something for this. I don't know. I forget. I ain't gonna fool with it right now though, but so yeah, if you wasn't in that video, didn't see that video, we got the steering wheel. Yes, sir. Got the steering wheel for that bad boy. I was looking. I don't even know if I have to use this. I might, but I might not have to. But yeah, it's pretty much this piece, and then the steering wheel. So let me check it out. See what we're working with, and then we'll go from there. First off, I'm just curious if that would fit over that, because if I didn't have to pull this whole thing off again, that would be fucking awesome. So, I mean, in theory, this shit should work. So, maybe that's one less thing we gotta worry about. Let me see what these screws hitting on. Of course, you do this shit at your own risk, but I be trying to save time sometimes. And so the screws fit and everything, same thread pitch, all that good stuff. So, in reality, hold on. I don't know if that's gonna work out like I think it is. Yeah, but there might be a different spacing from here to there that requires that other one. So, I don't know, we'll see. Let me gather my thoughts. All right, so, ooh, sexy. Yeah, sexy. Much better. Love it. Don't get me wrong, I love the wood wheel, but that's it right there, boy. Okay, so first reaction view. Ooh, bitch, that steering wheel is it. That steering wheel is it, Lord. Good choice. I like another steering wheel because the way it stood out on its own, but yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, baby. Oh, shit, that's the wrong keys. Them ain't gonna work. You You gotta get the ones with the Caprice on there, baby. Come on, you know better than that. You know better than that. You know better than that. You know when the top go back. You know better than that. Yes, sir. Hey, that be ready, boy. Texas Whip Fest, here we come, bitch. I ain't even gonna turn up on y'all like that. But Texas Whip Fest, bitch, we come. We on the way, bitch. Let's go update this board.